Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka arpo hando tare kari ka sneak batep kum ka Constitution Day ne ka sneak kerpang jong kari ti trekam kari India Samvidhan Divas. Ki skul ba pher hapo West Jaintia Hills District Shibenta jong ne ka sneak kerpang kila pendong ka jingpuli ki kentien lam khmat jong ka Constitution ne ka preamble. Shwaban puli ka preamble kino hikai kil batai khna skul shapang ka Indian Constitution dak bakin mauru ka kerteng ka nam u Dr. B.R. Ambedkar u badi uwe na kino yalam jong ka drafting committee. Kani ka sni kalong shibenta ban pensyai pensngo tho iki pat ba shapang ko hok trikam kum kinong shongshno.
We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought,